This video assumes you already have the discharge hose connected to the source tank. The first thing you want to do is open the vent pipe on the rear of the tanker. This is to make sure the tanker won't implode during the unloading process. The next thing you want to do is start the engine. You must place the choke in the start position, set the throttle about halfway open, then turn the key clockwise to start. Once the engine is running and warmed up, you can open the discharge line. Be sure the discharge hose is securely connected to the source tank. If you are strapping the hose in the source tank, make sure it cannot come loose. The initial wave of material will cause a severe jerk in the hose and may cause it to spray material outside of the tank. To start the flow of material into the tank, open the valve on the first pod all the way. When the level in the tanker gets down to the top of the first pod, open the second pod valve halfway. Then close the valve on the first pod and open the valve on the second pod completely. Repeat this sequence for the third and final pod. You don't want to lose the prime, or you may have to put water back in the middle pod to finish emptying the tanker. Once the tanker is completely empty, the hose will begin to shake and you'll hear the vibration of the empty unit. Shut down the engine and close the valves. Return the pump off hose to the location it was in when the tanker was delivered.